Introducing the Satco Nuvo 2-piece 8-foot T8 lamp, a groundbreaking solution for convenience, time, and cost efficiency on the job site. Bid farewell to shipping hassles and breakage headaches with our unique 2-piece design, cutting down not only on freight costs, but also minimizing breakage during transit and optimizing storage space in your warehouse. These 8-foot lamps are shipped in 4-foot cartons, providing savings on shipping costs and reducing the risk of breakage. You can also say goodbye to complicated 8-foot to 4-foot fixture conversion kits. Satco's innovative interlocking design eliminates their need, significantly reducing material and labor expenses. Assembling this LED linear lamp is a breeze. Just push the 2 corresponding 4-foot section pins together, then secure the threaded collar to create one of the most efficient 8-foot LED T8 Type B replacement for F96 fluorescents in the market. Lighting specifications for this ballast bypass lamp include Satco Nuvo's field-selectable technology, offering 3 wattage and 5 CCT options in one sleek unit. At time of installation, choose from wattages of 24, 32, and 40 watts for precise light levels and maximum energy savings, and select color temperatures from warm white, 3000 K, to daylight, 6500 K. Enhanced with a PET-coated glass tube for added durability, this lamp is designed for FA8 single-pin lamp holders and includes R17D RDC adapter caps, ensuring compatibility with F96 and F96HO fixtures. Also included is a C-clip with a self-tapping screw that is required for additional center support, making installation a snap. This one lamp can replace up to 30 different SKUs in your inventory. These lamps are also DLC listed when used in FA8 applications. They are rated for damp locations, provide 50,000 functional life hours, and come with a 5-year warranty. For added peace of mind, they're compatible with Satco Nuvo's optional 10-watt emergency backup driver. Never worry about handling, shipping, or storing another breakable 8-foot lamp again. Our 2-piece 8-foot T8 lamp is here to redefine your lighting experience. Upgrade to efficiency, embrace versatility, and illuminate your projects with Satco Nuvo. To discover more about Satco products and innovations, visit our website today.